Oh man, I am badly hurt and I really need a first aid kit. That battleground went so bad, man, so bad. Where is the first aid? You are Grandmaster first aid trainer. Yes, you can find this lady if you need to upgrade your first aid profession to the maximum. And what else? Oh man, so many hurt people here. And this lady, what she sells? Some stuff, useless. However, if you need to know where this lady is the first aid profession trainer, the Grandmaster in Dalaran City in World of Warcraft Classic, Wrath of the Lich King. Let me show you the map. This is Dalaran City from Crystal Song, and you can find her at the second purple building in the Magnus Commerce Exchange right here. That will be so helpful, but I didn't learn first aid kit, and I am a mage. I really should have learned that a long while ago. However, I really hope I help you with this tutorial. Smash the like button and good luck out there.